What's up traders, welcome to live stream from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. So we'll be doing a live trading session and live analysis. As you know that today is the last day of trading week. Tomorrow is the last day, but today and tomorrow the pairs are extremely volatile because of the end of the month and the end of the week. We have seen that quite a few pairs now started to trend. Almost all the pairs now showing the direction, including the Euro pairs, as you have seen today's analysis on Euro pair, and also the USD pairs giving us a really good trading opportunity. And today, as you can see from the calendar, there is a news announcement at 10:30 p.m. Sydney time, which is now 9:30, an hour from now. And we will be trading that news announcement too. So to take the maximum advantage from this live session, I want you to stay till the end. Before I begin, make sure as usual give a big thumbs up, smash this like button, it really helps, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. If you are new to the channel, this is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So as you know that there is an enormous value in this channel, so make sure you watch in full and stay alert. If there is any trading opportunity arises in this live session, I will discuss with you. In the meantime, you have opportunity to directly interact with me in this live session using the live chat option. You can do that now. Write down what you are thinking and what's your favorite pairs that you are thinking to trade or you want me to analyze. So in the meantime, let me look at some of the pairs that currently giving good trading opportunity. We have seen that Euro pairs are really crazy now at the moment. Euro JPY, you see that this is the weekly chart. The past week we have seen a pin bar. This week, after significant retracement to the upside, we have seen that as expected Euro JPY started to trend down. Now the way the price action has formed, I think that Euro JPY will continue to drop further, so that could be a good trading opportunity for us on Euro JPY. So we'll look all of them. Let's see what happened. If you look at the daily time frame on Euro JPY, what we see that from this after the previous day's uprise with this green candle just on the neckline of the previous day, what we have seen that Euro JPY melting down. Now the price action is bearish because long term Euro JPY has a consolidation, you see that, and deceleration. So this is a sign of a deeper retracement to the downside. So what do I mean by deeper retracement? Euro JPY, if you look at the monthly, you can see that this is a long-term bearish market, Euro JPY. And starting from here, let's do a full analysis, then we know we have faith and confidence that what is likely to happen. Now if you look at the Euro JPY price action is starting from here, impulse correction and impulse correction and impulse. Now we can expect a correction. So this is now in a correction phase. So this month's candle you saw, this is a correction candle. Now higher time frame correction can give us a trading opportunity in the lower time frame. So with that in mind, you see that this is a typical uptrending market structure, creating a series of higher high and higher low. So this is a typical uptrending market structure. Now at this point, if you draw the previous support as resistance level, what we see that this is the previous resistance here, okay, testing as a support, and what we see that the same thing here, a previous resistance, okay, this is the previous resistance here, could be tested as a support. And now with that in mind, we could see further drop, even penetrate this level to coming down, and then will go up. So Euro JPY, it's in downtrend now. We can say the weekly after the previous week's pin bar, this week we have seen a strong rejection. Now we can expect further drop to this level, to this baseline, which is the previous resistance here. resistance here can act as a support, and that could be really a big move if we consider overall a lower time frame trading opportunity. Daily we have seen a nice drop. Now looking at the 4 hour, we see that past 4 hour there was a narrow doji here, and we secured the trade in this one here. So I'm looking for another trading opportunity on Euro JPY. Now you can see that the price already broke this level of support. If you look at the local support on Euro JPY, okay, the price, you see this long wick candle is coming down this level of support. Now then, when is the next trading opportunity for Euro JPY? What I think that the next opportunity will be, you see that this channel, this local channel on Euro JPY, if you draw this trend line here, this channel, what you see that this is the local channel on Euro JPY. Okay, so this channel, now let me draw it. So this channel is broken. So at some point, you know that tomorrow is the last day of trading week, trading month, crucially important. Okay, so what I'm expecting now, Euro JPY, it dropped, right? If you look at the daily, it's a big drop on the daily. It's a huge drop. Okay, so what I'm expecting now for a retracement on the lower time frame, such as on the 4 hour. So once the price will go up for retracement, slower candles with a proper price action confirmation, we can sell Euro JPY again, and that is what I'm waiting for to give me another opportunity to take another trade. So hopefully you guys and girls understood what I'm explaining. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Asking is the best way to learn, the quickest way to learn. So let me look at Misu Swell. Love you, sir. May Allah bless you. Thank you, Misu. I love you too. Thank you. I love all of you. That is the best thing I get in this Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Love. Okay, it's a high state of vibration. Thank you for this. Hi sir, your analysis is great. Thank you, Ahmed. No problems. Dhanashekar, good evening, coach. After big thunderstorm, the market are getting ready to make trades. Yes, Dhanashekar, that's what happening. Awesome, Rizwan. Hello, coach. Hello, everyone. Hello, Rizwan. Samuel, hi, Wizard. Can you do analysis on USD CAD? Yeah, we'll look all of them. Just be patient and make sure, guys, give a big thumbs up to help the stream. If you didn't do it, do it now. Hello sir, USD CHF, please you look at it. Hello sir, Emmanuel Kakulan, Muna Suman, good day. Leadership, yes, good day. GBPUSD, please sir, you improve my account, sir. Thank you, no problem. Kamunjil, that's great to hear. Hi sir, how are you? NZD JPY. Okay, so let's look at some of the pairs that you guys and girls are requesting. Let's look at dollar yen. Okay, so as Euro JPY, dollar yen also we saw a breakdown today. Early today we tried to take a trade on dollar yen. You see that both of this candle wickless, even it didn't give us an entry opportunity when the price was here. I placed a pending order, but it didn't trigger, no problem, and then we entered Euro JPY, which was okay. So now dollar yen, what we see that this is dollar yen, and after 1 hour 20 minutes this current 4 hour candle is closing, and what I think that dollar yen also might come for a deeper retracement. If you look at the monthly, this is the monthly candlestick on dollar yen, and we see that this is monthly, and we had a strong rejection from the top. The price now where it has started, okay, where it has opened, it came back down there. And what I think, and now there are two possibilities. One is dollar yen to close as a doji like that. Okay, that means that next next day of trading week just to price to in a sideway, and then the price closed something like this as a pin bar or doji. If that's the case, then we could see an up price on dollar yen. But if you look at the weekly, this is where I see that still it's a bearish. You see that past week there was a bearish candle, followed by this week we saw retracement, and then the price came down. This is the weekly candle, which is still 1 hour and 10 days to go. Now looking at the daily, okay, so this is where I found hope for shorting. You see that this is the daily doji here has been created on the daily time frame in dollar yen, and it has created a head and shoulder as well on dollar yen. You see, this is a head and shoulder, and what I think that dollar yen might do, either one of two, is to go sideways and then drop, okay, or just go sideways, not dropping. So I don't think that the price will go up here. I'm really I'm almost, I'll never buy from now dollar yen here. So there is two possibilities, as I told you. One, to drop again, okay, and if it drops, then it might come back to this level. You can see that there is a monthly doji here. This candle, one red candle in the middle, has not been tested yet as a support. Looking at the weekly, we see that this is the doji on the weekly time frame. Now looking at the daily, now you can see that on the daily there is a bearish candle. Okay, with this bearish candle, dollar yen has created a head, left shoulder and right shoulder. So that's a sign of reversal. Now what I see that dollar yen has done here, this is the resistance here on the daily time frame, okay, resistance here, and that is acted as a support here, and now this is acting as resistance. So the best for me to sell again dollar yen, what I want is the price to test this red candle, bottom of this red candle again, okay, to test this bottom of this red candle again. That is what I am expecting now with dollar yen. Now looking at the 4-hour time frame, so if in case the price goes up, okay, test this one here as resistance, that's another selling opportunity. Or if I see, even we could see a drop from here, okay, because the way the price action has formed, you see this green candle couldn't break this doji's high, meaning that we could see a drop from here, okay. So that's the thing. Let's see what happened in the last 1.5 hours, and then we'll know actually what we could do with dollar yen and other pairs. So in the meantime, guys and girls, if you wanna join Forex Trading Wizard Academy and also learn my strategies trading with me, there is a link in the description. You can join. There is a discount going on which is ending very soon. So in the meantime, USD CHF, please sir, we'll look at it. Hello sir, can you please have a look at GBP JPY? Yeah, we'll look at it. Looks like that bearish GBP JPY as well. PJ tips, sir, good, everything, no problems, good day wizard, no problem. Please analyze US30. We'll look at it. Euro, PJ, sir, how about the red flag in the Forex factory this next hour? Thanks a lot. No problem. There is a news announcement, that's why it's a red flag. So if you go to the Forex factory, you see that next hour advanced GDP, US GDP, advanced GDP, that is giving the US dollar a little bit of strength. So let's see what happened. We'll see. Please my leader, let's do gold. Yeah, we'll look at it. Pound, hello wizard pound team, analyze gold. I've been Simmons, well done, no problem man, thank you for that. So let's look at USD CAD. Okay, now USD CAD, not USD CAD. Let me look at let's look at gold here. What's happening now? You can see that gold first of all has broken up as expected. Now this is the monthly close coming tomorrow. Okay, you see that the candle, this is a bearish candle, already has a long wick at the bottom, right? So there is a significant, I'll create a separate video on this one. It's very important that you know that. So when you see this kind of candle, okay, that is a probability that there will be another one, like another drop down. Why? Because when you see a candlestick like that, the red candle, and then long wick at the bottom, okay, so what does it mean? If you see this kind of candle on the bearish market, there is a high probability that another one will come to fill the wick, not full, probably at least half of the wick, and then you could see that arise. So with that in mind, now looks like that monthly candle will close somewhere here. That means that we might see another drop on gold. So looking at the weekly, back to back 2 weeks, this is the next week's candle. It look like that narrow green candle. Okay, looking at the daily, this is what's happening on the daily. We saw market open, rise. Now it's creating kind of, it's still, you know, almost half days to go, but the way the price is creating, you can see that this is the resistance here. See, this is the resistance here, resistance here, this resistance acting as a support. Okay, and then from this support we saw that gold is rising. Now going to the 4-hour time frame. So what I am expecting, you can see that there is a gap opening on gold here. Okay, so there is a gap opening. So if gold continues to go up, it might come down here to test this one again, and from here it might go up, or we could see reversal again from here. So let's see. For now, there is no direction in gold yet, okay, until we see the monthly candle close, because monthly, you see that this is the monthly candle close. That is really a long weak candle on the monthly time frame, and bias is still bearish. Let's see what happens. Maybe tomorrow, if dollar get weaker, that means the gold will get stronger. If the dollar gets stronger, gold will get weaker, the inverse relationship. So we'll look at what happened. But at this point, I will not be trading gold, because you see this is not the price action that I like. So you might say, then what kind of price action I like? I like to trade this kind of price action. You see that Euro AUD on the daily time frame, there was a doji. When I saw this doji, okay, I know that Euro AUD will break down. And if you look at the 4-hour, this is what happened on the 4-hour. You see a nice bearish candle on the in a triangle that is almost about to break, and I love to trade this kind of price action. Okay, so you need to find a clear direction. Why? So what is the difference? You might say that the price action that you see on gold and the one with Euro AUD, see, the difference is that, see, when you why do I choose to trade, let's say, this price action over that price action? See, it's not about gold and other pairs, it's about the price action. That is the key point you need to write in your mind. Look at this Euro AUD, and I will explain why I'm inclined to this kind of price action than this kind of price action. Okay, all right, can anybody tell me? It's a question. Let me see how many of you respond. Let me know in the chat area. This is the gold price action. You need to interact so that I know that you are getting what I'm giving, so that you can become a trader for free. Okay, when I started trading, I didn't get anything. Okay, I just lost money in trading and lost money in learning trading. Okay, everywhere I go, everyone was after my money, and there is no education. So I want to give it to you what I learned in a hard way. Okay, so there is a saying that knowledge increases when you give it to others. So that's what I want to do. I want to give it to you so that it increased to me in me as well. So let me know why I'm preferring this price action over this price action to trade. Let me know in the chat. I'm waiting to know. You look at by yourself and let me know that why that price action is preferable to trade than this gold price action. I'm waiting to see on the chat, and then I'll move on. It's very important that you understand this dynamics, this clear. You see Euro CAD is dropping. Same kind of price action. Euro CAD, Euro AUD, Euro GBP, it's all the same kind of price action. You see Euro GBP also has done the same thing. Okay, I have a separate video also on this kind of price action. Let me know in the chat. I haven't I think my speech is still delayed, probably that's why it didn't come yet, but I'm expecting that you guys and girls are responding to it. Okay, direction of trend, semi replayed direction of trend, very good. Let me know more ideas. Very clear trend, long-term bearish, all the time frame is coordinating in is bearish. Very good. CHG because of established trend. Yes, yeah, very good. I see that everyone knows very well. That's the key point. Euro AUD has formed a bearish configuration triangle which is already broken. Very good. I think that every one of you are very educated in this regard. That's the thing. See, Euro AUD, very good, because the overall trend is aligned with 4 hour. Wow, everyone knows. Make money online. There is no proper direction in the gold, but in Euro AUD has a direction. Absolutely. I see that everyone is very educated on this one. Wow, that's great. Awesome. Now, look, this is the key point. Euro AUD, okay, if you look at multi-time frame, monthly, bearish. Weekly, without any question, bearish. Daily, nice, bearish. 4 hour, bearish. All time frame aligning with the direction. Okay, trend is your friend until you are trading. So keep in mind, trend is always your friend as long as you are trading. If you are not trading, you can break up with the trend, no problem. So but with the gold is contradiction, right? The long-term trend is down, okay, but the short-term price action is up. Okay, is bullish. So what will happen if you buy? Suddenly you might see that a big breakdown. Okay, suddenly you might see a big breakdown. But if you look at the Euro AUD, it is almost impossible. Like, not impossible. There is a very little possibility that Euro AUD will have suddenly a breakout. Okay, because it's difficult for the price to go up in this kind of trend. But for gold, it's easy for the price to break down because the long-term trend is down. So anytime it will resume its trend, will start to break down. So that is the thing that you need to keep in mind when you are trading. And that's it. That you are a trader. Very good. Well done. Congratulations. So let's move forward. Euro AUD, yeah, because the overall trend is aligned. It's very good. Well done. Chindi double doji on Euro AUD, yeah, very good. Correlation with DXY, very good, awesome, absolutely awesome. Now let's look at some other pairs. that we think that we can trade. Let's look at Aussie dollar. So the same thing with Aussie dollar. You see the this is the monthly candle. We see that Aussie dollar has went well above to test this monthly Aussie dollar long-term bearish. So we will be waiting for the long-term bearish trend to start. But let me look at the daily. Okay, so daily price action is not still fully suitable for trading to me. That's why I was not trading Aussie dollar. Looking at the 4 hour, we have seen a rise followed by this retracement. So let's see what happened. I will not be trading until I see a nice price action for trading either on the short or long. Let's look at GBP JPY, guys. GBP JPY, before I starting this session, I was looking at this, and what I see that if you look at the bigger picture, monthly GBP JPY monthly, it's a long-term bullish market. GBP JPY, you can see that monthly time frame. This is a long-term bullish, but what we are seeing now on GBP JPY, we have seen a drop this month, like kind of consolidation, right? Going up and down monthly, but long-term bullish. So this monthly candle is closing tomorrow after the end of the week. So upon close of this candle, what I think that we could see further drop, because looks like that it might close as a doji or like that. If this is the case, we could see another move down. Now looking at the weekly, this is the weekly candlestick. What we see that GBP JPY on the weekly time frame. Now one thing we see, this is the always contradiction you need to look at. Now still 1 day to go, but the way the price action has formed, you see it's crossed the high. Okay, in case if GBP JPY, this candle closes a bullish engulfer, this is the weekly candle, you see the cross the low, cross the high with a upper body at the top. That is another story. We could see a price on GBP JPY. Now looking at the daily, okay, so daily time frame, we see that yesterday's after this candle, today as soon as market opened, we saw a rejection. Now depending on how this price action is forming will determine which way the market might move. Now to be fully clear, you see that GBP JPY in a fully sideways market. Look at this, what kind of price action it has created. If you look at this here, it's in a fully sideways market, you see. So this is the sideways market, and what I would wait for GBP JPY to break out to one side. Looks like that that I don't think that it might drop further a lot, because looking at weekly, on the weekly it is still bullish. Okay, you see this is the bullish candle still, but you don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. If this one on the daily closes like that, and the next one is stay in the sideways, could be bullish. But if today break down the price a lot, that will start bearish price action. Okay, so let's see what happened. For now I will not be trading, because you see there is a head and shoulder on the 4 hour. Okay, but as I told you, it's a long-term bullish market. We need to see what happened, and then we'll decide. So GBP JPY, keep aside for now. For long time, GBP JPY is going in a sideways, so you don't know what to do with this one. Still NZD CHF, please. Calculate USD CHF, please. Yeah. Hello, user. Nice to see you, Babak. No problems, Babak. Thank you. Wish you the best. Thank you, Babak. USD CHF. So let's look at USD CHF. Okay. Now USD CHF, you see that after this pin bar formed, what we have seen, the price came down and then reversed to the upside. Okay. Now this is a nice looking price action again. Why? You see, this is another opportunity coming for selling USD CHF. Okay. The reason is you can see that there is this red candle is a strong rejection, right? Strong rejection down, and then followed by a couple of dodges, and then we have seen the price went above. So if you take your Fibonacci level for this move, what we see that the price currently just below at 61.8% Fibonacci level. Let's draw this level here to see what's happening. Okay. Now you can see that this is the level that Fibonacci, and also there is a 4-hour 20 period moving average on this one. Okay, USD CHF. Now you can see that there is with this green candle, this 4-hour 20 period moving average crossed to the upside and then closed back down. Okay, so now what we see that USD CHF went above along the along the tummy of this candlestick. We see that the price now testing this zone. So what I think that there is another possibility of selling USD CHF. Let's look at the daily. Okay, so there is a probability because the price is still bearish. Okay, now if you draw a trend line on the daily time frame on USD CHF, what we see that, see, this is the trend line on the daily. Let's draw this one here. Now if you look at the 4-hour, okay, so what I'm expecting now on USD CHF, the next one also to go up. Okay, test this trend line and creating kind of a price action for selling, kind of pin bar or doji, that could give us another opportunities to sell USD CHF. Because if you look at the weekly, okay, there is a probability for drop, though it is on a support, bounced from support, but I think that there is still a probability to drop. Looking at the monthly also, we have seen this is the monthly candle. Every month the price was creating series of lower high, and this month even the price couldn't create, couldn't reach the monthly trend line. Instead we have seen a strong selling pressure. So with that in mind, we could potentially see a drop on USD CHF. Now if you look at the 4-hour, where we can see that USD CHF from this resistance here, trend line resistance here, from this resistance we could potentially see a drop here. So yeah, that's the point that I will be targeting for selling USD CHF. Let's see what happened next. Smash the like button if you haven't done yet. I give you 2 seconds. Don't smash your computer, just smash the like button, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. That's really helpful when you like it. The stream shown to more and more people on YouTube. Let's see. Kakulan CAD CHF, please. I will look at JPY. Asad Malik, hello sir. What about gold? Asad Malik, I will look at it. Asad, sorry, I joined this stream just now. No problem, Asad. No need to say sorry. We all have our life, family. We need to maintain everything. That's completely fine. You joined. That's great that we found you here. So let's look at some pairs. We already discussed on Euro AUD, Euro CAD also we have seen. So all Euro pairs including Euro GBP also we have seen a very strong drop. Euro JPY as well coming down. I think that it could come down further. Euro NZD. So all Euro pairs, Euro NZD also you have seen that there is a double doji has been formed, and after the double doji we have seen that with this head and shoulder, Euro NZD without any question started to drop. That's a big drop. Euro dollar. So let's look at Euro dollar now. Now what happened that you see Euro dollar also doing the same thing, respecting this resistance and then coming down. Now there is a news on USD at 10:30 p.m. so which is just 25 minutes later, and let's see what happened with that news announcement. Looks like that you see that Euro dollar, the bulls are not finding enough fuel. Instead, from this resistance, we are seeing that if you draw this level of resistance here on Euro dollar, what we see that Euro dollar, let's draw this one here. Now what we see also, let's draw this level of support. Now this is the channel. The price is like, channel means like the sideways movement on Euro dollar, okay, respecting this support and resistance, support and resistance, support and resistance. And now what we see that what I can expect on Euro dollar is what I think that we need to see Euro dollar either has broken this level of support for shorting or level of resistance for longing, but I will be more on short side. As you know that long-term trend is always to to be respected. That is the law of trading. Always trend is your friend. So Euro dollar, you can see that the price was moving in this sideways market, respecting the support and resistance. So the way now is happening, you see that from this resistance again coming back to the support. So what I want, if in this news announcement, if we see that Euro dollar has broken this support and then let's say creating a smaller candle like dojis, that is where I will be selling Euro dollar with a high probability. Okay, so if you wanna see how I am trading on Euro dollar and also trade with me, you can visit the link in the description area. You can go to the website to find out to see what are the options for you to join, to learn my strategies and also trade with me every day. So Raghu, thank you sir, no problem. Saran, Euro USD please sir, we'll look at it. Emmanuel, USD CHF, yeah, we'll look at it. Sir, how about, we already discussed USD CHF, Emmanuel, before this one. Sir, how about Bitcoin? Yeah, very good question. Let's look at Bitcoin. We haven't looked at it long. So let's look at Bitcoin. Okay, now Bitcoin, after the monthly, from this monthly support, okay, we saw that Bitcoin just a little bit of jump from this monthly previous resistance acted as a support. We have seen little bit of jump, but I don't think that that's a buy. I think that you see this is a big move happen. It's just a retracement. Who sold them, they are taking the profit, because the way you need to analyze the market is health of the candle is very, very important. Okay, so what we see that BTC USD, you can see that this is a after 3 days this monthly candle is closing. So why, this is what you need to analyze in the market. That you can see that there was a movement happen on the monthly. So this is the monthly movement, and look at the health of the monthly candlestick. You see this is a big monthly candle followed by another monthly, what I can say, a middleman, followed by another monthly strong bearish candle. Okay, so with that, all this monthly candle, now this month what happened, that we see that very, very weaker response from the buyer. Okay, we saw that a smaller candle has been created. That means that the bulls are not strong enough. So what I think that now BTCSD will do after the monthly close, we could see another drop, probably will consolidate in this zone. Okay, so I will not be buyer at all on BTC now. Instead, I'll see what's happening. Looking at the daily, you see the price from here already a drop. This is what I mentioned, I think, in one of my live streaming as well. Now you see after drop again, so I think the price will consolidate in this zone. You know, the crypto already crashed long ago, so we need a long time to see how it is doing. But if you are a trader in crypto, if you are trading crypto, that's a different story. If you are trading, I would say that wait for the price to create a bearish price action, because if you look at the weekly, already from this support we had a bounce, so I think that the price will just I'll consolidate here. So if you are a trader, then I will not recommend to buy even here from here, because I don't think that the price will go like that. Okay, it needs a long consolidation. That's how trend changes. When you see that the price came to, after a big drop, came to a level of support, what you would see that a consolidation. Okay, so that is, I think, likely to happen. The price will just consolidate in this support and resistance. Okay, so this one is with BTC USD. Let me look at what you guys and girls are up to. Okay, so Andrew asked how to deal with psychology when dealing with big losses and then small wins consistently. Yeah, that's a very good question. Tomorrow I will be releasing a complete video on this one, how to handle losses and how to become a consistently profitable trader. Keep eye on my channel, and also don't forget to subscribe so that you have the access of this video. This channel is enough for you to become to make you a great trader. So make sure you take the full advantage, press that bell button and subscribe to the channel, and keep eye on the time that I release the video. I'm new to your YouTube channel. Can someone make consistent profit just by following you live trade while he is applying good risk management? Omar, yeah, absolutely, it's possible for someone to be a consistently profitable trader by following only with proper risk management. It is possible. Okay, but if you want more personalized advice and more personalized strategy, you can visit my website, the link in the description area. Maguire Luffy, so what indicator should I use on 4-hour time frame? Maguire, I can't tell you exactly what indicator you should use, but I can tell what I use. I use 20 period and 10 period moving average. That two indicators really help me in my trading. Okay, because I was using that indicator since I started trading. So what happened when you use particular indicator for a very long time, you understand the language of the indicator, because the indicator also tell you a story. And when you look at the market over and over and over again, you can read the story of the indicator. Okay, so Damila, good day sir, please can you look at Aussie dollar? Yeah, I'll look at it. So Morgan says a back-tested strategy from 2021 up to now with risk reward 1:1.5 and result of 39 wins, 18 losses. Can I? Yeah, of course. 39 wins, 18 losses. That's a good strategy, of course. If it is 1 to 1.5, yeah. If you can apply proper risk management, That's absolutely a good strategy. Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. My trading has really improved from South Africa. Very good, Benjamin. That's the goal of this Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This academy has created from very hardship, going against everyone, okay, including family members, friends. So that is something really a gift for you. Make sure that you take full advantage of it. You saw that my analysis, if you parallelly compare with global with other analysis, you see that's always different, okay, and in most cases you see that things happen. You saw today my Euro AUD analysis. If you are following me on TradingView, probably you have seen my dollar yen analysis. So because very few traders use their own knowledge, experience and mind. I use my own knowledge, own experience, own mind, long experience from hardship, struggle in trading, and that made this Forex Trading Wizard Academy so rich. The strategies are so successful because of this. So yeah, there is an opportunity for you now. There is a discount going on. There is a lot of demand. And the price might go up because the spot is limited. So I would suggest you to go to the description area, visit the website, see how you can join. That could be a life-changing decision. Okay, so let's look at USD CAD. Simul was asking for USD CAD. Let's find out what's happening with USD CAD. Now USD CAD, if you look at the bigger picture, first let's look at the monthly. Now all these USD pairs now on the monthly is on a baseline, on a support or resistance. So USD CAD, now this is the monthly candle, and we have seen a very strong rejection, and what I think that it might come down further, probably even to this level, and then we might see that an uprise. The reason is, let me show you on the lower time frame. This is the weekly, you see, and the price was basically respecting a trend line on USD CAD. You can see that this is the USD CAD, okay, you can see this is the USD CAD, and the price was absolutely respecting this support here, support here, support here, support here. Now what we can expect now, the price to come back to this level of support at least a certain point, and then we could see an uprise. So because the price was moving along this channel, this is the weekly time frame, along this channel, okay, what we can expect the price for to come back down to this level of support and go back again there. So that's how the market moves. So with that in mind, what I expect USD CAD now to come down further. Going to the daily, this is the daily candlestick. You can see that the price has created a head and shoulder. This is the head. Oops. This is the head. Okay, it's the left shoulder, and this is the right shoulder. So head and shoulder has been created, and what we are expecting on USD CAD is for the price to back to back. If you look at the daily time frame, there is one bearish engulfer, two bearish engulfer. There's a lot of bearish engulfers, and what we can expect now, the price come back down here to this level of support. So we could see further drop on USD CAD. Now looking at the 4-hour or intraday, what we can expect now for USD CAD to respect this resistance. You see, this is the resistance here, support here, okay, on the 4-hour. This is the 4-hour, and this is resistance here. So now you see this current candle went above, okay, tested this this already. We see a test of this support as resistance, and even we could potentially see going up further, testing this trend line, okay, and then we might see that USD CAD is coming down. So the price action is bearish. So let's see what happened, and then we can say that okay, it's ready for going down. Like USD CAD, USD CHF, same kind of price action is creating now, going up for because this is a news candle, this could going to be a news candle, and that really give us a nice selling opportunity. So USD CAD, USD CHF could be that this candle could give us a selling opportunity, okay. And yeah, as soon as I will find proper opportunity on this one, I will go short on USD CAD and or USD CHF, okay. You know, dollar yen also same thing. So we see an uprise that's a retracement. The market moves like that, and you see that USD CHF, this kind of price action I love to trade, because when you see this kind of price action, you might see that the next one is coming up a little bit and then started to drop. So let's see what happened. We see a little bit of spike happening on even USD CHF. I think the USD CAD also doing the same thing. There is a probability for dropping further. So this is where I wait for the price for come to the area of value, okay. So if you look at this USD CHF, you see the price suddenly had a spike from the top. When you see this, let me look at the 15 minutes, what's happening, okay. So there is a drop, strong drop, okay. Let it happen. So that's a long wick candle creating. There is a sign of, you know, a bigger drop, okay. So let's see first how this candle is closing. It might close even going up here, okay, with a full body green. It's possible, or even it might go up further to test this resistance and then could drop. So USD CHF and USD CAD, same thing. You see CAD also doing the same thing. USD CAD, it has gone up to this area of value, now testing this zone, okay, testing the zone, this previous you see this is a previous support here, okay, support here, testing as resistance, and now from here we can expect a drop. But first let the candle close. It's very important that you wait for the candle to be closed, and then we'll know what's happening. Gold is doing the same thing, coming down for deeper retracement. So let's look at Aussie dollar. Dollar yen, okay. USD ZAR, the same thing. So USD ZAR, USD dollar yen, USD CHF, dollar Swiss franc, and ZD USD, euro dollar, okay. So yeah, let's see what happened. And then so this news candle can give us a good trading opportunity. So today I have sent quite a few trades in our VIP channel. Let me see if I can trade this one live in this live session. If I find a good trade, I will be trading in front of you with our VIP students. Let's see what happened. In the meantime, guys and girls, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet, and also don't forget to like this stream to help this stream. That's really help. And if you wanna contribute to this stream, there is an option for a super chat. You can buy super sticker, or you can give super thanks. It's really appreciated. It's not necessary, but if you wanna really contribute, that's an option for you. You can check that out. If you buy super sticker, you will be always at the top of the chat, and that you'll be standing out from everyone else. So let me look at, in the meantime, what you guys and girls are up to. Flash, I mean gold, yeah. Hello sir, and USD CHF, please, yeah, look at it. Hello sir, I would like to join VIP member. Tariful, awesome. Go to the description area of this video or check the link in the chat. You can go there, join. Let us know. There is a live chat option on the website, so if you have any question, you can ask our team any question. If you need any alternative payment option or anything like that, you can ask that. So sir, you don't used to talk about US30. Yeah, I'll look at it now. I'm just waiting for the news announcement, and then we'll look at US30. Tom says your analysis really makes sense. Good evening. Thank you. Yep. Thanks for your appreciation. Will the gold go down if the news on GDP is positive? Let's see what happened. Actually, how the news will impact, it's really difficult to predict, but we might see a drop on gold as well, as we have seen that the price already retraced to the upside. And how many years will it take to become a millionaire trader? You can be a millionaire trader overnight, Andrew. Why you need to wait for years? Okay, just buy 100 lot or sell 100 lot, you'll become a millionaire. You don't need to wait for years to be millionaire. So to become a trader, you need at least 3 to 4 years time. Okay, to be honest, to become a very good trader. But to become a millionaire, you can be overnight. Okay? No worries. Aussie dollar, sir, yeah, look at it. Let's see what's happened on Aussie dollar. So yeah, in just 4 minutes there will be news, and let's see what happened. Aussie dollar, so dollar getting a little bit of stronger, I think because of the upcoming news, and let's see how we can use that strengthening of dollar. Okay, that will really give us good trading opportunity, I think. Especially I see that USD CHF is coming up for an opportunity, giving us an opportunity, including USD ZAR, USD. So all the USD pairs now up, and that's good sign for trading. So USD CAD, you see that after the drop again the price came up here. So what I am expecting now, the price to, if USD CAD, see, if USD CAD cannot break this dodges high, okay, I will be selling. Okay, I will be selling immediately. If after the news release, after 32 minutes, if USD CAD remain here or here and cannot break this resistance, this high, then I will be selling again from here. Okay. On the other hand, if I see that USD CAD went above, tested this 4-hour 20 period moving average, and then came down, also I'll be selling. Okay, let's see what happened. USD CHF, the same thing. There is a probability for dropping after the news. So just 1.5 minutes remaining for the news. So let me see, sir. Let's look at USD. Very good. USD CAD now going up. USD CHF. Let's focus on some of the USD pairs. So let's shortlist all the USD pairs, and then we'll see what's happening. Okay, so including dollar yen. Okay, so let's look at now Yes, USD CAD, yeah, that's what I'm expecting is to go up. And okay, so USD CAD we see an price daily, yeah, I'm expecting it to go up, and then we'll have an opportunity to sell. USD CHF, same thing. Aussie dollar, USD CAD. Okay, so let's watch them now. On the news, in the news, see what happened. Okay. Okay, I think you see there's a spike is coming. Let's see what happened. So what it will do, it will come down again and will go up again, come down again. So if it remains, if it cannot, this is the USD CAD, if it cannot break this high, there is a possibility of selling. Let's see how this candle is closing. USD CHF has a big slowly dropping. Let me see how the candle closing, and then if I see trading opportunity, I'll look at it. Dollar yen doing the same thing. Okay, Aussie dollar, euro dollar. Yeah. Okay. So my focus on three pairs. So let's remove NZD, USD, Aussie dollar, and so I will be now watching only USD CHF, USD CAD, and dollar yen. Okay, these three pairs that I will be looking now to see in the next half an hour what happened. Okay. By the way, guys, don't forget to like this stream and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet. Let me look at, okay, USD looks like that USD CHF is a bit strongly bearish than any other USD pair, so we'll take that advantage. First, let the candle close. We will wait until 27 minutes watching the price action. Let's look at jump onto 15 minutes to see proper price action confirmation. So looks like that is still it is creating a bearish price action. So we'll have two more candle on 15 minutes. This one looks like that, after 12 minutes, if it closes as a bearish, we might see the next one is going up. Probably will create a double top and then we can sell. Okay, if it does like that. And in USD CAD, a bit a different way the price action is forming, but let's see what happened. I think the news already out, isn't it? Let me look at it. So if we didn't come out yet, here nothing. Okay guys, what are your guys and girls are saying on this one? Tom says, do you always do a fundamental analysis? Yeah, I do. I use fundamental in my trading. Okay, so look at it. Okay, so USD CHF looks like that rejecting from the top. Okay, so if USD CHF, let me explain a couple of scenarios what we will be doing. Let's say if USD CHF closes like that, like this, with a long wick, then what we will be doing is we'll be using this wick, okay, that much wick we will have as our stop loss, and we will take profit target the same. Okay, it's a high probability. That trade, as I told you, trading is all about probability. So if it creates a wick like that and the candle close, still candle not close, nothing is possible. So if it does like this, okay, leave a wick at the top like that, close somewhere here, then we will use as a pin bar, okay, and we will use this wick top, you know, at this zone as a stop loss, and we will keep the same profit target because the price is on a support, and we will not take a big profit target on this one. As I told you, trading is all about probability. This one is for USD CHF. Let's see USD, yeah, USD JPY dropping. That's good. Yeah, that means that USD pair, USD getting weaker, as I told you. So there is a, let's see what happened. Let's wait for the candle to be closed, and then, because you know that the news announcement means you need to wait at least half an hour for proper settlement. Okay, but that's a probability that USD JPY dropping means there is a high probability the price will continue to drop. So the bias looks to me is bearish. Okay, bias is bearish, but I want to see the candle close. So no buying on USD now. Okay, only no buying means like USD is weaker. Now if it is USD CHF, then selling. If it is, let's say, Aussie dollar, then buying like that. Okay, USD is looks like it's still weaker, so I think that we might see further drop. Okay, so USD ZAR, the same thing. USD ZAR went above, tested this 20 period moving average, and we see that there is a rejection on this one as well. So if you look at the 15 minutes, that's a bearish price action. This is a fake move. That's the price action to be formed fully. So this is basically stop loss hunting to the upside, and also tested this this 20 period moving average. That's good that the price, you know, retrace. That's the where the market moves. So it is at the same time it has completed a head and shoulder. So with the close of this, if this one closes like this, somewhere here as a doji, that could be a selling candle, and I think that we might see from here a drop, probably to somewhere, let's see here. Okay, could be a good selling point for USD CHF and USD CAD, the same thing. Okay, USD CAD, you can see that the price already reached above. Okay, it's creating a long wick candle, and we could see that from here a drop on USD CAD as well. Okay, so USD CAD, as I told you, the price couldn't break this doji's high. Okay, so couldn't break this doji's high means that from this zone, keeping stop loss here, we could see that the price is coming down. Okay guys, so wait for the candle close, and then we'll look at how we can trade. Rizban and JPY dropping, yes, in recession. Yeah, what broker do you use to trade gold on TradingView? It doesn't let me on window. Okay, now you can use a link in the description area, the brokerage for Blueberry Market. You can use them, that they have a good spread. Okay, so looks like that because USD getting weaker, gold is getting stronger, and we see that gold is now showing us bullish price action, guys. Okay, Okay, what happened with the chart? Hopefully the internet connection should be okay. Okay, so what we see, gold is picking up. Now this is what I was talking about today. You see that the price action on gold, you see the price came down, okay, crossed this low. So if USD drop, that is now the gold is showing some bullish price action. Okay. So let's see what happened. USD JPY. So USD JPY showing a very strong bearish price action. Okay, guys. So USD CAD. We'll take one USD pairs. So let's see which one is giving the best trading opportunity, and we'll trade that one. So the pairs that we are looking is 3 pairs: USD CHF, okay, USD CAD, and we'll look at USD CHF, USD CAD, and dollar yen. These are the 3 pairs that currently we are paying attention for potential trading opportunity. So dollar yen, let me look at dollar yen, what's happening. Dollar yen, what it did, look at the price action here. See, with this bearish engulfer, this is a very strong bearish engulfer, crossed the high, crossed the low, okay, closed as a bearish engulfer, followed by a wickless candle, followed by another wickless candle, now back to back 2 dodges. So you could see, I think the dollar yen is the best one for trading at this in this USD pairs. So let's go short on dollar yen, okay, keeping the stop loss above this high, okay, take profit 1 to 2. So I will send this trade to our VIP students, okay. Let me close this one. So I will be also trading dollar yen. We can sell, we have done quite a few trade. So 130. Okay, so dollar yen, we are selling dollar yen. Let me I have already sent this trade signal to our VIP students, and also I have opened this trade. Now this is the trade that I have sent to our VIP students, in addition to the some other trades that I have sent today. This one I publicly shared with all of you to help you in your trading. Make sure that you manage your risk. Keep in mind that this is only for educational purpose. You have to manage the risk in your own risk, and make sure that you manage the risk properly. This is for educational purpose. This is 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio trade. Now if you want to trade like this every single day with me, and also learn my strategies to find out how I pick this kind of trade, you can find a link in the description area. Join the VIP channel, lifetime access, where you learn my strategies and also trading with me every day for the rest of your life. So you'll have guidance. Now this is it, guys. I'll see you soon tomorrow in the same time in my live session, and some new content coming tomorrow. Make sure you give a big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. If you're new, this is Forex Wizard, your trading coach from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. I'll see you soon. Happy trading, manage risk. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.